Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Temu account. If you're looking to simplify your online presence or you just want to move on from the app, stick around until the end to ensure you follow all the steps correctly. Let's dive in. So first things first, open the Temu app on your phone and then click on U icon located at the bottom of the screen, and in the top right corner you can see the settings icon. Click on it, and once you're on the settings page, look for account security, and in the account security section, scroll all the way down and you will find the option of delete account. Tap on it, and then Temu will ask you to confirm the process. Read the terms and conditions and then check this box. Click on continue to proceed. And after this, you have to provide the reason why you want to delete your Temu account. So choose the reason and then again click on continue. Temu will send a verification code on your email address. So go through that verification step, and once that is completed, your account will be permanently deleted. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.